We will begin the 12th and final week today. In this last week, I will discuss about the important trade fairs and marts, etc., that are held internationally and at the national level too. We will be covering the International Tourism Boards, that is ITB, the participants of ITB, the key components, the benefits of ITB, the history, and the segments of ITB before concluding. Introduction. The ITB is the premier travel trade event globally, offering a unique chance to explore many nations and areas worldwide in one location. The ITB, short for International Tourismus Boards, annually has around 10,000 exhibitors from over 180 countries and territories. ITB Berlin primarily functions as a trade fair, providing a platform for exhibitors from various sectors of the global travel and tourism industry to showcase their products and services. Attending ITB Berlin is essential for enterprises and professionals in the tourism sector to remain updated on current trends, establish collaborations, and present their products internationally. It acts as a central point for networking and cooperation, aiding in the expansion and advancement of the global tourist industry. Now let's find out what is ITB, the International Tourismus Boards. ITB typically refers to the International Tourismus Boards, a renowned annual trade fair in the tourism industry. It was founded in 1966. The purpose of the ITB is that ITB primarily functions as a trade fair, providing a platform for exhibitors from various sectors of the global travel and tourism industry to showcase their products and services. The ITB Berlin is one of the largest tourism trade fairs globally, as said just now, and it discusses worldwide industry trends. The fair is held annually in Messe Berlin in the first or second week of March. Over 109,000 visitors and more than 10,000 exhibitors partake in the expo, shaping the global travel trends. Shaping more than 8% of the global GDP, travel and tourism is a huge field for investment with endless opportunities. The organizers of ITB Berlin understand this very well and have created an unparalleled B2B business platform and excellent global media coverage. ITB Berlin is structured in different market segments and themes for the year. These include the book world, business travel days, cruises, cultural tourism, e-travel world, adventure travel, and responsible tourism, to name a few. In addition, the ITB Advisory and Academy bring a wealth of knowledge and education about the industry and highlight the trends and new ideas in this field. Who participates at ITB? ITB is the world's leading travel trade show and provides a unique opportunity to learn about different countries and regions all over the globe in one place. The exhibitor profile consists of equipment for travel agencies, information technology, international touristic top associations, municipal engineering, tourist information office, travel and travel organizer products. Participation in ITB Berlin is crucial for businesses and professionals in the tourism industry to stay informed about the latest trends, forge partnerships, and showcase their offerings on a global stage. It serves as a hub for networking and collaboration, contributing to the growth and development of the tourism sector worldwide. The key components. The International Tourismus Boards hosts around 10,000 exhibitors from over 180 countries and regions annually. Various entities in the tourist industry present themselves and their services to evoke a desire for travel. The expo features businesses such as hotels, tourism boards, tour operators, system suppliers, airlines, and vehicle rental organizations. The ITB Berlin is held annually in March at the Messe Berlin. The components of ITB are number one, exhibition halls, which are divided into different sections, including destinations, technology, hospitality, and more. Number two is conferences and seminars. Industry experts discuss current trends, challenges, and innovations in the tourism sector. Networking events. Opportunities for professionals to establish partnerships, collaborations, and business relationships. What are the focus areas of ITB? Number one, global representation. ITB Berlin attracts exhibitors and attendees from around the world, providing a comprehensive overview of the international tourism landscape. Number two is innovation. The fair often highlights emerging technologies and trends impacting the tourism industry. Fostering a successful tourism innovation and entrepreneurial ecosystem requires connecting all stakeholders to collaboration opportunities and prioritizing capacity building in tourism and technology. Discussions on tourism product innovation or services throw light on how to cope with the changing characteristics of tourism demand. Use new distribution channels and develop different marketing strategies and methods or different promotional tools in order to attract a wide variety of tourism. Benefits of ITB. The various benefits of ITB are as follows. Number one, business opportunities. Exhibitors can connect with potential clients, partners, and buyers, leading to new business opportunities. Number two, knowledge exchange. Professionals can gain insights into the latest industry developments through seminars, workshops, and discussions. Number three, themes and topics. There are several distinct market sectors and annual themes that make up ITB Berlin. Some examples are the book world, business travel days, cruises, cultural tourism, e-travel world, adventure travel, and responsible tourism. Number four is sustainable tourism. There is knowledge exchange and emphasis on responsible and sustainable practices in the tourism sector. Number five is digitalization. Further explorations of technology's role in transforming travel experiences and operations are done. Destination marketing. Strategies for promoting and marketing tourist destinations are brooded upon. Global impact. Travel and tourism, which accounts for about 8% of the global GDP, has significant investment potential and several options. The organizers of ITB Berlin have developed an exceptional B2B business platform and outstanding worldwide media coverage. Number 8 is industry influence. ITB Berlin is considered a significant event that influences tourism policies, strategies, and collaborations globally. Let us delve into the history of ITB Berlin. The International Tourismus Börse is a story of success made in Berlin. From the first beginnings in 1966 with only 5 participating countries as part of an overseas import trade fair, the ITB has since developed into a worldwide success. With a total number of 180,000 visitors, the ITB Berlin is a center of attraction for the tourism industry and influences travel experiences worldwide. In 1966, ITB was first launched on the fairgrounds in Berlin, and 9 exhibitors from 5 countries presented their products and services. Egypt, Brazil, the Federal Republic of Germany, Guinea, and Iraq. In 2019, it was around 1,000 exhibitors from 181 countries showcasing their products and services to around 160,000 visitors, of which 113,500 were trade visitors. With the expert knowledge of the trade fair team, Long years of experience and a keen understanding of trends and developments in the international tourism industry, ITB Berlin established itself as the world's leading travel trade show. Over the year, ITB has not only grown in size, exhibitor numbers, and attendance, it has also become a comprehensive industry marketplace, showcasing travel products and services from around the world and growth intensive niche markets. Developments in politics, the business world, and society at all times have also been reflected in the travel industry. Neil Armstrong's moon landing in 1969 nurtured dreams of space travel, which today no longer seems so far away. As we are able to hear from the world's longest serving astronaut at the ITB convention in 2007. The fall of the Berlin Wall in 1989 made it possible for East Germans to realize their dream, to be able to travel finally. And they gained inspiration for this newly found freedom at ITB Berlin. Continuing with the history further, in 2004, the launch of the ITB Berlin Convention makes it the largest industry event of its kind. Also in 2004, the arrival of Facebook and other social networks led to accounts of personal holiday experiences becoming the most popular stories on the web. And since 2011, the ITB e-travel world examines and discusses the latest social media trends. In 2008, ITB Asia was born in Singapore and developed rapidly to become what it is today, the leading B2B show for the Asian travel market. By introducing an LGBTQ plus travel section in 2010, ITB Berlin took an important stand regarding equal rights for tourists from LGBTQ communities. In 2014, key topics at the ITB Berlin Convention were big data, data protection, and luxury travel. Opening of the City Cube with new possibilities for hosting events, expanding the fairground halls for even more exhibitors. A big celebration in 2016 was the 50th edition of ITB Berlin. In 2017, the first ever ITB China marked its premiere and proved its importance as China's new marketplace for the travel trade industry. In 2021, ITB India joined the ITB brand family. With the corona pandemic hitting the entire world hard, ITB had to step back from being able to host the world live on the fairgrounds. Following the cancellation of ITB Berlin in 2020, the show was held digitally. Finally, in 2023, they were back as a live event. ITB segments. ITB Berlin, which covers over 190 countries and territories, is characterized by a well-organized framework. Apart from being organized geographically by destinations, the hall layout is divided into market groups, each highlighting certain themes. Number 1, Adventure Travel and Responsible Tourism segment. Adventure and sports travel are increasingly popular. They are a segment of the travel industry which is growing strongly. At ITB Berlin, new trends are highlighted as well as the facets of ecologically friendly, socially responsible tourism. The focus is on travel, which facilitates experiencing nature and discovering personal insights into the host country's culture, while simultaneously making a contribution towards environmental protection and the well-being of the population. This has made adventure travel, responsible tourism at ITB Berlin an international forum for sustainable tourism. Number 2, business travel segment. Travel and event managers have to react quickly and efficiently to changing economic and technological conditions. Career Center segment. The ITB Career Center is all about careers in the travel industry. Companies will be presenting themselves as employers, while universities of applied sciences, vocational academies, scientific institutes, and other service providers from Germany and abroad will be showcasing their educational programs. The offer is rounded off by a stage program specially tailored to career issues. Study and training. Everyone who's interested can get information about study and training opportunities and start networking. The advantages for exhibitors is that they can reach potential students, enhance their reputation among tourism companies, and raise their profile in the highly competitive international training environment. Number 4 is culture tourism segment. For more and more people, culture plays an important role when choosing a vacation destination. Countries, cities, and regions are increasingly drawing attention to their cultural offerings. Cultural tourism makes a significant contribution to increasing tourist occupancy in the early and late seasons. At ITB Berlin, cultural tourism has a permanent place in the Culture Lounge. Number 5, hospitality segment. It is increasingly difficult to grasp a definition. Common structures are doomed to dissolve and new ones appear. Set star classification charts are replaced by social media platforms. Holiday planning has become modular. Hiking booth meets 5-star hotel. It goes without saying, distribution and communication are digital and the new standard. The new beacons are artificial intelligence, robot technologies, and individualization. At ITB Berlin, apart from hotels, service providers, and booking platforms are found for the hospitality industry, but also innumerable opportunities are there for networking, doing business and knowledge exchange, content community, and commerce. Number 6 is ITB Book Award segment. From cultural or adventure trips to beach or hiking vacations to business or city travel, each year at the ITB Book Awards, an independent jury bestows prizes to outstanding literary or journalistic works in the area of travel and tourism. The destination awards, which are always dedicated to one special destination, are in the foreground. The aim of the awards is to draw attention to a wide range of travel and tourism publications for the discerning reader. The majority of the jury's nominations are the result of their own research. Several awards can be made in each category. The ITB Book Awards do not confer money prizes. The ITB Book Awards are given by Messe Berlin. Number 7 is ITB MICE segment. The ITB MICE Hub is exclusively for MICE exhibitors. Benefits from a ready-to-use counter plus meeting facilities surrounded by other international MICE and business travel exhibitors are all available. Number 8 is LGBTQ plus tourism segment. Since back in the late 90s, LGBTQ plus tourism was already present at ITB Berlin, but scattered, not united. Due to the popularity in ITB's corporate social responsibility commitment, which explicatively includes diversity, equity, and inclusion as a key policy, the LGBTQ plus travel segment was established in 2010 as an official equal segment of ITB Berlin. Characterized by openness, creativity, and vibrant interaction, this segment is one of the most diverse areas of the trade show. Over the years, it became the biggest LGBTQ plus tourism presence in any global tourism trade show. Number 9 is luxury travel segment, the home of the luxuries. Home of Luxury by ITB is the key. One-on-one business meetings in a cozy and unusual atmosphere, pre-scheduled meetings and open networking, panels and talks, meetups with the media, and get-together events will round off the experience. In the 4 exhibition areas, the garden, the library, the nest, and the gallery, providers of luxury accommodations, transportation services, as well as products can choose between individual conversation atmospheres. Medical and health tourism segment. The medical tourism sector, dedicated to health-oriented medical travel, is an important and fast-growing market segment with worldwide importance. Thus, in the past years, it has become a well-established tourism segment of ITB Berlin, a unique platform for medical tourism. The Medical and Health Tourism Pavilion is home to clinics, hospitals, hotels, and destinations which provide medical and health tourism services in this booming market. Especially medical buyers and agencies are invited to visit the pavilion. Number 11 is Travel Technology segment. Efficient technological solutions are increasingly becoming a decisive factor in successful travel industry business models. The ITB Berlin segment, Travel Technology, features 4 halls where providers present their global distribution systems, that is GDS, tour operator databases, reservation systems, travel agency software, and calculation programs. The TTA segment, the marketplace for technology, tours, and activities. TTA is the successful platform at ITB where 4 of the most important sectors of the tourism industry meet, all with the same goal: to promote and sell in-destination services. Benefit from networking events, workshops, and congress sessions, as well as a dedicated exhibition area. TTA at ITB Berlin includes exhibition and networking events. Meet tour guides and suppliers, technology specialists, destinations, and intermediaries all at one place. Number 12 is Youth Travel and Economy Accommodation segment. Adventurous, conscious, digitally savvy, and searching for unique and purposeful travel experiences, young people want to discover the world, and they are traveling further, staying longer, and spending more than ever before to do so, as documented by WYSE Travel Confederation's New Horizons, the only recurring global study of youth and student travel. Tourism offers a variety of opportunities to explore, connect, network, and find your tribe. Young people are the market for the future, not only for young people themselves, but also for the future development of the places they visit. Conclusion. ITB Berlin aims to draw in exhibitors and guests globally, offering a thorough picture of the worldwide tourism industry. ITB Berlin offers various themes and segments. Businesses and professionals in tourism must participate at ITB Berlin if they intend to be abreast of industry trends, network with like-minded individuals, and promote their products and services on a worldwide scale. The networking and cooperation opportunities it provides are a boon to the tourism sector all around the globe. With this, we come to the end of the first session of the last week.